welcome back. So in the previous class we were trying to visualize our predictions using the plot, but I forgot to import Matplotlig. So I will show you how to do that. Yeah, so this is how we need to import Matplotlib in Jupyter notebooks. Okay, so you see this first line, right? The Matplotlib pyplot and PLT. This is the regular convention that we use, and we are using seaborn for actually plotting the plots. And this line we need to remember, because without this one the plots won't be visible on the Jupyter notebooks. Okay guys, so let's import this one, and it is taking little time. Yeah, it's done. Now come back to our previous step. Here we have these predictions basically, so these many things for these particular dates. Okay, and these are the destinations and arrivals. Okay, let's run this one and then see how well we have the predictions on the graph. Shift enter. Yep, you see here for October 1st it is 60% guaranteed the flight will be on time. Second, it's like 80%. So October 4 is like 100%. Okay guys, so this is how we can use Matplotlib to visualize our values in Jupyter notebook. Okay, so if you again careful notice here, this is like a regular one only, right? So in the previous steps we were predicting using this predict delay, but what I have done is I have added these multiple predictions into a single tuple so that we can plot it. And this is for the bar chart, and this is like how many ticks you want on the x-axis and y label, so this is the value here, and similarly so on and so forth. Okay, and this is while limit is like starting from 0.0 to 1.0. That is what you see here. Okay, let's do it the same thing for another one. Okay, so now we have JFK to ATL, right? So similarly we will do it for some other things. Okay, let's move on. Here JFK to MSB. Okay, but now we have a different dates here from April 10 to April 11. I mean April 16. Okay, so same thing. Yeah, we got it. So for JFK to MSB, there is no 100% guaranteed. The maximum is like 90% on April 11, 12, and 13. Okay, guys. This is what I mean. This is a very basic machine learning model for predicting the flights. Okay, if you want to learn more about machine learning and Python to be specific, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will be sharing more such videos on Python and data science and machine learning. Okay, so that's it for this web series, guys. I hope you enjoyed learning along with me. If that is the case, please subscribe my YouTube channel. I will see you next time. Till then, take care.